Test kit operation video. Take out the kit from 4 to 8 degrees Celsius environment, and check the product is within the shelf life. The kit includes 3 detachable microhull plates and 3 cover films, a user manual and a colorimetric card. Turn on the dry heater in advance. Adjust the temperature to 65 degrees Celsius. Test procedure. Carefully take the required number of microhulls. Do not break the cover film of the remaining microhulls. Leave the microhulls at room temperature for 15 minutes. Store the remaining microhulls at 4 to 8 degrees Celsius immediately. Uncover the cover film of the microhulls carefully. Add 50 microliter of the tested sample to each microhull. Negative control and positive control are set up at the same time to ensure the accuracy of the kit. Seal the microhulls with cover film. Place them vertically in a 65 degrees Celsius water bath or dry heater for incubation. Timing 2 hours and 15 minutes. Stop culture when the negative control turns yellow. If precise sensitivity is required, negative control can be used to determine the exact culture time. Incubate until 2 hours and 15 minutes to start observing the color of the negative control. It is recommended to observe it every 5 minutes. When the negative control turns yellow, stop the incubation. Read the results of all other samples immediately.